Hello everyone, I am back with another video for the gameplay of Amazing Spider-Man 2. The movie was very famous and the actors, actress and the storyline was all really awesome. And the game has come for every platform, almost Windows phones, Android phone, iOS devices, PC, Xbox One, etc. etc. Almost every console device has this game. And with the game I have installed is not a official game. I mean, the game is official, but it is not the clean game. I can say it is a modded version. In the mod version, we have unlimited money, and all suits and missions are unlocked. This the game and the OBB data I have installed. If you want, you can comment me. I can provide you with the link. It is very correct link, and nothing is uh, the fake. So we can open the game and play. Let's see. I haven't installed this game now only, and I am also playing first time. The data that we have extracted, we have to kept in the OBB folder in the external storage, Android OBB, and then install the APK. And then this, you can see the game has been successfully downloaded. Touch OK and start playing because we have the OBB data already installed before the APK has been installed. Touch OK. The game will automatically install. But keep in mind that your Wi-Fi or internet connection should be on while playing this game. Sorry. If your internet connection is not on, close this window. Then the game will show an error that check your connection and try again. So this game is online. You can only play it with the internet connection. But it is very interesting to play this game as we have unlimited money, all suits unlocked, and all the hacks and missions are unlocked. We can upgrade the skills of Amazing Spider-Man, our Peter Parker, to impress his girlfriend Gwen Stacy. Update log. Okay. So you can see the cloud data has 700 coins and 0 trophies. Local data has local data has hacked coins. So we will select local data. It will ask you, are you sure you want to load this game? Yes, obviously. Why will choose the 700 coins game data? Tap yes and proceed. I will respond immediately within 5 or 10 minutes. If anyone want to download this game, I can provide them with the link of APK file and the OBB file. I will provide the Google Drive link and direct Google Drive link, not like the other YouTubers give the link due that goes through link shrink URL or cut URL. They want to make money. That's why they give you those fuzzy links and irritated links. I will give you direct link of the Google Drive on which you can download this real game, and it will work on every device, even on low end Android device. My device is low end. So here the game has been started. We can skip this. The gang members are standing there. Our first mission is to destroy the thugs. Here is come our amazing Spider-Man. Tap to jump. Hold to web sling. Whippy. Whoa! I think we have gone further. Yes, tap.
What, this dance again?
Defeat those thugs. You can use many tricks. Come, come, I will see you. Yeah. Wow, what a view. Yeah. The game is not very smooth,
Did you
we
guys
can say,
hear?
but it is
Hands
not
up!
that bad that we can't even play the game. If we compare to high spec phone, then we will not play the game on this phone. Obviously, we will don't like to play this game because comparison makes the devices look bad. So let's head towards our next
It looks
mission.
like the police need my help.
Go to police. Whoa. Graphics are quite good. The game depends almost on two things, that is graphics and the sound quality. If both are good, no one can fail or beat the game. Let's
Think I
defeat
need some
another
practice?
gang of thugs. It's not too bad, running well on my low end phone also. My phone has only 1 GB RAM and 1 GHz dual core processor. Then also it is running very good.
That was fun. Not.
Here you can see coins are 999 unlimited coins. You can also upgrade the skills of Amazing Spider-Man by going into the menu, skills, shop. Everything has been unlocked previously. Spider suits are unlocked. Items. You can do amazing things. We will have to do 2-3 missions, then only the skills option will unlock in the menu.
I need to figure out what's behind this gang war. Let's see what those doofuses were so excited about. Whoa! Whatever that thing is, it looks like trouble.
So you can play the game well. Thank you very much for watching the video. I will give you the direct and correct link. Comment me below. I will again come by many videos new. Thank you very much.